Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta. I am sending second video of LC of second term. Exercise, we will do the adjective. Pick out the adjective in the following story and say what kind of adjective they are. You have to read first. You have to read the this paragraph and you have to identify the adjective. Adjective of quality is little. Adjective little, happy, notorious, serious, great, and honest. These are the adjective of quality. And adjective of number in this paragraph is 10, 2, severe, first. Now next is possessive adjective is his, her, him, me. Now next interrogative adjective is what, why, when. Now demonstrative adjective is that. Now next exercise is fill in the blanks with adjective as indicated the in bracket. Susan bought dash pencils dash sharpeners dash cardboard sheet and dash glue for her project. You have to fill the adjective of number. It can be Susan bought 2, 3 pencils. Sharpener, it can be any number 3, 4. Cardboard, it be also any number 2, 3 sheets and one glue for her project. Now second is I would like to buy dash dresses. You have to fill the demonstrative adjective. Those dresses. I would like to buy those dresses. Now, third exercise, third question is Pandit Nehru was a dash leader, adjective quality. It can be great leader, it can be nice, it can be good. Now, question number 4 dash painting won the prize. Interrogative which painting won the prize? Now, next is that's dash house. Possessive adjective is that's his house. Now next is do you have dash time for shopping? And you have to fill the adjective of quantity. Do you have some time for shopping? Okay. Now we will discuss value based question. Father of an entiter, father to an entiter. This is not in your syllabus. And letter to J.R.D. Tata. Sudha dream fulfilled ultimately and she was able to achieve success. Which qualities of hers do you like a key to success? Determination, her determination and her strength. Sudha was very upset with the advertisement. She dared to write a letter to the chairperson of the company. Which special aspect for her character reflected here? She is the brave girl, and you can write by yourself any other quality also, any other values also. And recycling wrap, this is also value based question. You have to do by yourself. Now next question is creative writing. This is the homework. Which among two, according to is your is better, reading a book or watching a movie? You have to first mention the reading a book subheading A and subheading A. Next column is watching a movie. Difference you have to tell the difference between both and similarities. What is the similarity of both and any other thought and conclusion. Then you have to write the paragraph of this creative writing. Now proverb to pull to put all or your eggs in the same basket. It means is to risk all that we have. मीन्स सारी चीज़ें एक बार में एक जगह नहीं रखनी चाहिए. My mother advised my father to invest my money in various shares and stocks and not in the shares and stock just one company because it would be unwise to put your for all your bags eggs in your same basket. Now second is an early bird catches the worm means जो पहले आएगा वो पहले अपॉर्चुनिटी पाएगा. Sheila reached the half valley to see hall early to see magic show. That is how got the good seat from where she could see show well. For she was well aware that an early bird catches the worm. Now third one is charity begins at home. It means हम जगह जगह जाकर अपना डोनेशन देते हैं, जगह जगह जाके लोगों को बांटते हैं। इससे अच्छा अपने घर में ही अपने घर से ही शुरू हमको चैरिटी करनी चाहिए। Rohit's mother did not donate money in orphanage but decided to spend money for the education for her of her mate's child because she believes in that charity begins at home. A drowning man will clutch a straw. When one is great danger, one may depends on something totally unreliable. Means डूबते को तिनके का सहारा. You can say. When the old man started tumbling down the stairs and he stretched his arm towards his 3 years old grandson for help, which only proves that a drowning man will clutch the straw. And next is time and tide wait for none. Means opportunity do not wait for those who do not avail them the right moment. Means मौका किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता, समय किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता. Raj wasted his time talking on the phone with his friend and did not finish his project on time. For this, he lost 5 marks. This taught him that time and tide wait for nuns. Now there is the some situation you have to write the correct proverb. Mr. Ramesh went bankrupt when the company in which he had invested all the savings collapsed. He regretted why he had invested all his money in a one company alone. Here we should fill the to put all your eggs in the same basket. Now second situation is some does not believe in showing off her giving money to temples and association but helps the servant gardeners and cooks at home. Means what proverb is coming in this situation? Charity begins at home. Now third one is the hunger brigade beggar could no longer bear the hunger pangs and picked up the food thrown in the bins. Here, a drowning man will clutch the straw. Now, Raghav was not allowed to enter the exam hall because she was 10 minutes late. Because he was 10 minutes late, time and tide wait for none. The poor villagers left at the dawn for the town so that he would reach before others to get hired the laborer by the contractor. Early bird catches the worm. Now complete the sentence with the suitable proverb. As our school believes that charity begins at home, as they use the donate money to help improve that living condition to support staff of the school. Now is second is only those who reached the port in the nick of time would could board the steamer that left right at the scheduled time because time and tide wait for none. Now, next is the old woman was having an acute stomach ache. There was no medicine at home. In desperation, she drank her 1 month old grandchild's gripe water as a drowning man will clutch a straw. The rich man was distributing chocolates, and they invited children to who reached timely could only get the chocolates. This shows that early birds catches the worm. Now, dictionary activity. You have to identify the sound and fill in your exercise in both column. Look and food. It means both are difference. Both have the double O, but sound is difference. Look and food. Look, bud, brook, book, hook, foot. Now double O, food. In food column is cool, mood, pool, suit, boot, shoot, crook. Now, this is the fun page you have to complete by yourself. Thank you.